Hey art lovers out there, remember me talking about a limited palette? Well, one of the ways to help with that is a color wheel. I love utilizing this. It helps me to keep colors within a certain range. In this case, analogous colors. You have 5 consecutive colors generally, and this way you can keep them close to each other as far as the overall color you use on your painting. Of course, there's the lights and darks of the painting that helps with the overall feel. But you want to be able to limit your palette and push yourself and hopefully learn a lot of interesting things as you do it. If you don't have a color wheel, you should purchase one. Try it. And better yet, if you make your own color wheel, that's a way to really learn about how to mix colors and the subtle nuances that you can get when you're mixing those colors. Give that a try.